फ्रेंड्स, गोल्डन प्लोवर एंड ग्रे प्लोवर, जिनका साइंटिफिक नेम है प्लूवेलिस डोमिनिशिया एंड प्लूवेलिस स्क्वाटोरोला, two attractive water birds about the size of petrels which migrate to India. The former species, brown above decorated with gold, favors moist pasture land, while the grey plover without the gold coloring are usually found along the coast. They take a few swift steps, stop erect for a moment, dip down quickly, pick up a morsel, and move along again. Bird watchers are sometimes treated to an exhibition of a flock of small birds turning and twisting in flight in perfect unison, and are left wondering whether there is a leader directing operations. They are likely to be little stints, which scientific name is Calididus minutus, migrates for the winter. They are smaller than quails, grey-brown above, white below, and appear to be incredibly